Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. If you're interested in Vegas, you landed on our channel, that's all that we do. But we also do take little mini road trips, and that's what this video is about. Check out the description so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. Okay, I did say mini vacation road trips. Just 1 hour and 18 minutes from our driveway is Harrah's in Laughlin. We love coming here because it's right on the Colorado River, and they do have somewhat of a beach, so you get to sit next to the water. It's awesome. Anyhow, this is a room tour. This is the North Tower. Now, the North Tower used to be a mess. We hated the North Tower. The elevators were jacked up. There was long lines. It took forever. The rooms weren't renovated. They've changed that. They didn't just renovate them like in the most recent months, but it has been recent. And we're gonna show you a standard one king, non-smoking room at Harrah's Laughlin. Right here in the entry, you've got your closet. Ironing board, iron, pretty standard. And then immediately to the left or the right, depending on which way your room faces, you're gonna have the bathroom. Let's go. You're gonna get some fan noise though. Look at how nice this is. It's such a nice little property. Nothing crazy, but nice, clean, and modern. Look at the backlit mirrors, how wide this mirror is. All of this counter space for all your stuff. And then this nice big shower. This is like this big. Let's check out the rest of the room. Look at how big and open this is. I love this. You know, the furniture isn't the most modern, but it's nice, clean, plenty of space for your stuff in here. I love these old classic, this is like a classic like Flamingo Las Vegas vibe is what I'm getting with these lamps right here. Look at that. I love these mirrors behind. That's kind of another thing that you're going to notice, and it's really because of I think the majority of the clientele here at Harrah's Laughlin, the beds are lower to the ground. I really like that. You get your complimentary refrigerator. Nice and big space over here for all of your stuff. They used to have like these big old like cabinet TV stand things like from the 90s. They got rid of it. Got this nice big flat screen on the wall there. I love this little lamp here. Complimentary coffee. Yes, it does exist in Nevada. And at Harrah's Laughlin, you get all the complimentary coffee. Like another nice modern touch is this hotspot charger right here. You've got C-type ports in here, a couple of plugs, USBs, and you can just put your phone right there to charge.
Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection.
And again, so we live in Vegas. You guys poke around our channel, you're gonna see it's 99% Vegas. But this is our little getaway. It's about an hour and 20 minutes away from our house, like I said earlier, and I'm gonna show you why we come down here. You still have everything Vegas has. There's like 7 or 8 casinos, big casinos here, plenty of restaurants, bars, lounges, all of that stuff, just on a smaller scale. This is why we come down though. It's right on the Colorado River. Come check this out. Look at this view over here. That's the Colorado River right there. You see all the jet skis. There's so many jet ski rental places around here. You can rent them for the day, for the weekend, by the hour, whatever you'd like. There's a water taxi that hits all of the casinos right here on the river. It's awesome. We absolutely love it. And down there on the left, as you're looking at your screen right now, those are all of the casinos. That's like the Las Vegas Boulevard of Laughlin. And then to the right, on the other side of the river, that's Bullhead City, Arizona. They've got a lot of great restaurants too. There's a bridge right down by Don Laughlin's. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. I know this was a little bit more than just a room tour, but I really wanted to share with you guys why we leave Vegas, that everybody loves so much, including us, to come down to Laughlin and stay at Harrah's Laughlin. So thanks so much for watching. Comment below. We want to hear from you. Have you been to Harrah's Laughlin? Do you come to Laughlin at all? Can you recommend another property that we should check out? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, please subscribe if you're not already. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel. We really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.